Thank you for choosing HSA for all your audio-visual storage needs. In today's tutorial, we will demonstrate how to fully assemble HSA's RTQUAD-II. It can be done with one person, however, two are recommended. First, lay the left side panel on the ground as shown. Carefully attach the back panel via the cams and fully tighten. Next, carefully lift the desk and position as shown. Attach the right side panel with the cams and tighten. If needed, gently tap the cams into the slots. Do not use excessive pressure when tapping. Lower the tabletop into place and tighten each cam as shown. Lower the desktop into place, tighten one side, then the cams across the back, and then the other side. Gently tip the desk onto its face. Insert the video bay backing panel as shown and tighten all cams. Insert the video bay shelf as shown, lift up into place, and tighten all cams. Slide the table brace into place and tighten cams. Remove handles, if installed, from tambour assembly. Guide the assembly into the slots and evenly roll up until it meets the tabletop. Install stop blocks on both sides of the desk and screw into place. Lift the desk to the upright position. Roll tambors back until they hit stop blocks. Reinstall handles on the lead tambour. Insert screws for the upper unit, if applicable, leaving clearance to slide unit into place. Slide upper unit into place with the bolts sliding into the grooves. Tighten the bolts to secure the upper unit. Thank you for choosing HSA for all your audio-visual storage needs.